Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust website settings and what these are in Safari on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open a web page on a Safari. In my case this is going to be the web page of HardReset.Info, so our web page, and then what you want to do is to click those two letters right here next to the website address, and then you want to go to the website settings. So here, as you can see, you have settings for HardReset.Info, so the whole domain. If you want to, you can set to request a desktop site automatically, so every time you open this web page you are going to be in the desktop site. The desktop site is the just view of the web page as you would see it on your laptop or a PC or a MacBook, just on a computer. Also, you can set up to use reader automatically, so the web page is going to be automatically in the reader mode. Obviously, if you are going to use both, you are just going to get the reader all the time. So as you can see, you can manage those just by clicking those numbers. And also you have the access to camera, microphone and location, because some web pages do access for those options on your phone. So as you can see, you can set deny, allow or ask every time that the website wants to. So let's say you have a website that permanently asks for your location, so if you don't want to be bothered by that, just say with that website to deny location of the access, and this is going to be super easy. So now let's switch to another web page. In this case, this is going to be the BMW motorcycles, and as you can see, if you go to the website settings, you can do the same options as on the one before. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.